Alright guys, Alpha out of here. Today's another vlog. I'm gonna be reviewing my pipes. Oh yeah, man. I wish the sound, can come out like I'm hearing it right now. These are the Danmoto XG-1. Sounds good. This is my turn here. You guys hear this growl, man? Oh man, the downshift is insane with them pipes, man. Damn. Yeah, like I said, these are the Danmoto XG-1s, and as some of you guys might know, previously I had a full Yashimura TRX exhaust. And man, fuck that thing, man. It's been like, what have I been missing, man? Jeez, I've been riding with that quad ass exhaust, man. Jeez, these new pipes, I mean, made me love my bike again, man. They bring the bike so alive. I mean, power wise, I don't have any numbers to show you, comparison numbers and stuff, but I can tell you because I also have a Power Commander 3. So I took out the Yashimura slip-on, and I left the headers on. So I just put these slip-ons on top, and I have a Power Commander 3. And right about, I can tell you the throttle response has increased. I'm not saying that I got more horsepower because I don't have numbers to show you, but the throttle response definitely, definitely improved. And man, they sound good. Wow. And I mean, earlier I took a tunnel, man. Shit, if you hear those things in the tunnel, they're insane, man. Yeah guys, let me give you a little walk around so you can hear the sound of them pipes. Oh man, I can't wait to redline those things. Alright guys, here's my baby. Looks slick. Alright, listen to this bitches, man. Oh man, sounds insane. And it even it gives my baby a better booty right there, man. It looks like I took her to the gym and made her do some squats and shit. And them HIDs looking good. Yeah, baby. Man, this riding season is gonna be insane, man. Woohoo! Alright guys, this is my little review of the Danmoto XG-1s. You're looking for some loud and nice sounding exhaust, man. This is it, guys. Alright. Peace out. I'm gonna go ride some more. Man, these pipes are awesome. Woo! Check this out, guys. Can hear that sound, man. Music to my ears. I'm taking the 95 back home. Today was a nice ride. I see a couple bankers out. There we go. Little Ninja 250. Man, this bike is a monster, especially with that pipe. Hopefully next year you get your shit together, man. It's hard to be a fan of a team that sucks, man. It's really hard. Look at those freaking Sixers. Freaking worst team in the world, man. But hey, we still gotta be fans, right? That's how you stay a true fan. I have missed this, man. Oh man, I forgot how much stuff this baby has, man. Should I help? I think it's like 46 degrees, man. It's so nice. I mean, not so nice, but it is pretty nice. After the winter we got. And look at this view, man. I feel like I'm flying. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.